paper cut. There's a battle ahead, many battles are lost, but you never see the end of the road while you're traveling with me. Hey now, don't dream it's over. Hey now, when the world comes in, they come to build a wall between us, and we know they won't win. Now I'm towing my car, there's a hole in the roof. My position the cause of my suspicion, but there's no proof. And in the paper today, it tells of war and of waste, but you turn right over to the TV page. Hey now, don't dream it's over. Hey now, when the world comes in, they come to build a wall between us, and we know they won't win.
Are you a mouse or a bear? Or whatever you are, it's probably the cutest mouse bear thing I've ever seen. Get it! I'm a unicorn, if you can't tell.
You're the cutest unicorn in the world.
That's fine, we can just build a riff on it. Sorry, I was fucking you up. I was riffing, sorry. I was flirting, sorry. Sorry, I was flirting, sorry. Alright, anyway. I'm walking again. No, sorry, I'll fuck off. Sorry, here we go. I'll start it. Here.
Alright.
Here we go.
Now I'm walking ahead to the beat of a drum,
And I'm counting the steps to the door of your heart.
only shadows ahead, barely clearing the roof.
Get to know